Hello everyone, this is Arpita. Welcome to my channel.
In this video, we are going to learn about how to run Python script in Power Query Editor. For that purpose, Python should be installed in your system and Python install folder path should be added in the required folder tool setting, okay? Just like our Power BI desktop. And if you want to download this code, then please go to the video description, then you can find it out the GitHub link. Okay, let's go to Power Query Editor. In the Power Query Editor, I have already added one sample data file. Now, I want to utilize under this transform tab. Here we have run Python script. If you want to watch the run R script integration, then you can check the playlist in my YouTube channel Practical with Power Query. Now, I want to run this R Python script. Let us click on this. I want to run the one simple Python script where I want to add one new column unit price and that will be sales amount divided by quantity. Okay, let's run the code first. So this is a simple code. Normally this table is considered as the data sets. Okay, so now in the data set I'm adding a new column and the data set sales amount divided by the quantity, and I'm setting this data set to a output column also. Let's click on OK. So here we have this option. If I click on this table under this output, here you will find it out. I have this new column unit price which is added in the table. Now this is a simple one Python script. Now if I want to aggregate this table where I want to display the total sales amount grouped by this region column. For that purpose, how will I do that one? I will run another Python script. Okay. So in this Python script, what I did, I just added this data set group by clause, aggregate on this sales amount where my function is summation, and I'm using this reset index so that the region column should be displayed beside this total sales amount. Okay, and I'm setting this to a output column. Let's click on OK. Okay, now I will click on this output table. And here you will find it out. I have this region column and this sales amount column. Okay, so from this video, I hope you understood how to use this run Python script where I can alter this table to add one new column, or where also I can add this aggregate functions also to create one aggregate table. Okay.
I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel and provide your comment, and please share with your friends and colleagues. Thank you. Thanks for watching.